The Tripura Motha Party has expressed satisfaction with a recent Supreme Court ruling regarding the elections for the village committees of the TTADC. The party is optimistic that the elections will be held soon. On Saturday, Tripura Motha MLA Ranjit Debarma and Minister Brishakatu Debarma held a press conference to share the party's views.
While addressing their views, MLA Ranjit stated that the absence of elected representatives in the ADC village has been hindering developmental work. This is why the party's Supremo Maharaja Pradit Kishore Manikya Debarma had initially approached the High Court and due to delays, subsequently filed a petition with the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has now directed the state government to submit an affidavit within 1 month explaining why the ADC village committee elections have not been held.
Ini sini borom ganang minister baikane je buskangni TTADC ni village committee chong marino rugai sing kaisa press meet orotini malaika blackeno sing khatango chini bubagra Supreme Court case file khaimani ulo Supreme Court kaisa rai dikha je chai saptani bising ba talsani bisingo je ADC wo village committee tangi chong mari khlai jaiga ungnai obno rugai jawab nan bagai election commission tai state government no kaisa notice jari khalaika aboni bagai jeng blackeno khatango ADC elakao tongai chini bororok sal kolokma 2016 ni simi aro chongmari ungya village committee ni aboni bagai chini aro kabangma scheme implement khlaimaya niti ayog ni rangrogo aro thangai implement khlaimaya aboni bagai jeng sal kolokma birodi dolo tongfurpano tabuk sarkar bai ekta part ungoi ongsidarung tongphano jeng lorai khai tongo last jeng ekta election ni bagai jeng Supreme Court thana nangka ebong bubagra ni teidulma bai ebong bubagra chaitokma bai no tini Supreme Court jeng thangai kaham rai manka asa khayo je state government jawab rimani porewona Supreme Court kaisa verdict rinai rai rinai abon porena jeng asa khayo chini TTADC lakao sal kolok ma bisi election yang bomani abo chongmari ungnai ni jeng khakhlayo ka aboni bagai jeng jotone ready Tripura Motha chini protekta je pasos sata sita jata village committee tongo sengar lorai khalina ni bagai chin Tripura Motha pura ready unja tabu.
Likewise, Minister Brishakatu Debarma expressed hope that after the state government submits its affidavit, the Supreme Court will issue a directive leading to the swift organization of the elections. He affirmed that Tripura Motha is fully prepared for the polls.
Edisio to nadi chini public representative krini bagai kabangma jungjal nugjagoi tongo chini central government hote je fund phaimaro a fund no kaham kai utilize khaimaya rangrok kipili thangmaro sung khnao jate chini lukurok benefit mantung amono wansugino chini bubagra Supreme Court baidyo ongoi ma thangka karon sung onek chesta khaika High Court case khaimani pore High Court lagatar saka je election khaidi kintu contempt khlayo state mani je election commission song je contempt ni bagi basung High Court te file khaipika kintu kunu false main bagi bubagra Supreme Court case khaika je BC election dakti khlanyani bagi abon bagi notice bo rijaka tamni bagi khlaya abo ek mas bisi jawab di hini tabuk jeng nugo Tripura hawo chini ADC amsai 6 schedule area wo chini lukurok jara benefit manai beneficiary ro kabangma jagao no sung benefit maya ngui tongmaro sung nugjagoi tongmani bagino tini Maharaj bo chini lukurok ni kogno wansugoi Supreme Court case khaika kai tabuk asa khayo BC election ngui thangani hini kai BC election ni bagai sung Tripura Motha ready tongo dakti phat kai o ADC election kai BC election khai chini lukurok ni je adhikar rights mannani asamgo sung belaikeno agogjak tei chini Maharaj tu sung belaikeno hambai mario je sung Supreme Court kaisa case khaina thangang kai onek time nango rang nango job mane chini ability nango ke ojagao sung naina thangang kai chini Maharaj bini bai thangni rang puisa kharos thai Tripura sarok no bansri nani boni adhikar mani nan bagai je Supreme Court go case khaitong mani shudu o case simia CA bini phurubo case khlaijak tongo kai tabuk nadi NRC ni bagai case khlaijak tongo BC election ni bagai tini case khaima tongo abo boroni fan phaina basu ge tini bubagra tongmani bagai no chini Maharashtra ma bagai no abo tini সম্ভব ungui tongo gaboni bagai o case ungui Supreme Court je order rimani aboni bagai sung bubagrano hambai mario aboni slai sikang 2021 bo o jaga ADC ni সাধারণ নির্বাচন একো chini ADC je chongmari mani ambo case khaimani bagai no khlai jago kai omo haike case khlai mang koita sung election chini odhikar nanaiba hani bagai no sung Tripura sarokno sung jotto lukrokno koinani musungo je sung bubagrani kokbai bubagrani thansani mario sung khainani nango jate chini odhikar manani bagai sung buini odhikar segnani kok sung kono dinu saya sung chini odhikar sungno ridi asikano sung chini khaksama mannai a odhikar mayani bagai no sung tini khabrumlai matongo chiriglai matonglai chobak khailai matong be financialo chini dofani bagai sung nangkhagai tebo program kotor khai chini nangkai andolon khlai chini dofani odhikar no sung mana halai nai karon odhikar sung laithangnai salrogo kono odhikar andolon chara choba chara maya Tripura habo abo sung nugui mangka sung chini hawo tongoi o hani bwsa chung o hani nokphang ngui chung sung tini buino koilai ma tongo chini odhikar bidi chini odhikar bidi bisig lachimai singsa gaboino chini Tripura sarok chung khasina nango chini odhikar manani bagai buini odhikar segnani bagai ya bu sung financialo chini BC election to ungsinai no tei chini ADC ni je general election abo bo ungnai sung Tripura motha hameshano ready tongo sung election ni bagai
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chinkhorang.